back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, narcissists don't fucking have any friends. You already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it, so let's do that right now. A friend is defined as a bond of mutual affection, trust, support. It's a close bond like non-hostile relationship. It's built on loyalty, on intimacy, you know, on some moral support type shit. But to a narcissist, they are only loyal to themselves. Their friendship serves as a conduit to supply, and that supply comes in many different forms, doesn't it? Friends, family members, romantic partners, any and everyone they can turn into a flying monkey and listen to their victimhood ass stories. And tell me what you define as friendship. Someone who's gonna have your back in your worst moments, be there to talk you down when you're going through it in life, to listen to you when you need to vent, to be a helping hand when you're an emotional fucking wreck. Narcissists don't get down like that. Their expectation is compliance. It's having their friends listen to and buy into their constant bullshit stories. It's having someone to hang out with only when they're bored, because they'll never be your go-to. Nah, they'll play the part well though, just like they did in your relationship. But a friendship to them is just a one-way ass transaction. What can they do to make it about themselves? What can they do to see just how far someone will go to support them? And speaking of friendships, or lack thereof, your relationship or marriage should have been built on that too, right? But because the narcissists can't trust their own impulsive and intrusive ass thoughts, it became a breeding ground for fuck shit behavior. And you want to know why they have commitment, communication, and reckless behavior issues? Because they won't heal their own problems. They see themselves as the only thing in their world that matters, and they lack the empathy to give a fuck about your plight. And the coercive control they exhibit, making everything about themselves, blaming friends for their downfall, smiling in their face though, yet envious as fuck about their success, their status, their relationship outside of theirs, is just like the image they give off in public. You know, acting the part, like a loving and caring friend, yet bad-mouthing the shit out of them on that ride home to you. And if that's someone the narcissist has known for the majority of their life, if that family member is someone they grew up with, how in the entire fuck do we think they'll feel any differently about us? We are just a means to an end. We are supplied for only as long as they don't get bored, get too busy, or get called out for their bullshit. Everything about a narcissist is a shit show, both metaphorically and literally speaking. The public perception is one thing, but the image of the miserable, pathetic, and unhappy ass person you get to see when you come home at night is just the microcosm of how much of a train wreck the relationship will be. And once that mask slips on how they feel about their friends, you realize you in the motherfucking roller coaster ride of a lifetime, and you need to run for your fucking life. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.